All right, let's go ahead and start with problem number 18. Remember, rate of change is how we say slope, and we know that that is the difference of our y's. We subtract our y values over the difference of our x's. We subtract our x values. So in this case, I'm going to subtract my y's and I get 1 minus 2. Subtract my x's, and these are my x's. 2 minus negative 3. Be very careful of your signs. Get negative 1 over 5. And that is my answer. On 19, is it a function? You want to make sure your x's don't repeat. 1, 2, 3, 1. Those ones just repeated. So no, not a function. It's okay for my y's to repeat. I cannot have my x's repeat. So on number 20, we want to find the domain. The domain is our x values. So in this case, I think I'm going to do a little bit of highlighting on this. Everything is happening from negative 2 to 2. And I'm looking at those x values. So that's where the graph ends. That's where it begins. So the way I would do that, or write that down, is my lowest value is negative 2. It includes it. X is happening in the middle. And my highest value is 2. Let's take a second now and talk about range. Range is my y values. So right now, my lowest y value is negative 2. My highest y value is 3. And then everything is happening in between those two lines. Let's take a look at problem number 21. Let f of t be the outside temperature in Fahrenheit, and the degree, or the temperature, rises 2 degrees every hour. So we want to graph when f of 0 is 58 degrees. So time, I'm going to make my independent variable. And temperature is going to be my dependent. So what this really means is when the temperature is, or when the time is 0, the temperature is 58. So we are starting off at 58 degrees. So I'm just going to put a hash mark right there and say we're counting by 58. And then I'm just going to put my dot right there. That is my y-intercept. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and answer part C right now. Find the y-intercept. Well, that's my beginning point right there. When it is 0 time, my temperature is 58. Well, then find the slope. They give you the slope right here. It's rising 2 degrees every hour. So at 1 hour, it's going to go up 2 degrees. At 2 hours, it's going to go up another 2 degrees. So my slope is 2. It's going up 2 degrees every hour. All right. Again, your test is Wednesday.